Sanibonani guys, naniyazi ukuthi mina ngibona kwama FYP enu kusho khona ukuthi nginiphathele isigaxa sendaba. Let's forget about my hair. That's not what the video is about. Anyways, so guys, I was seeing videos on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, and all these social media networks. So this is what's happening. Ne? UNonhlanhla, which is known as Ukheli Khumalo, has went on social media, and she was saying Guti how much of a deadbeat Ujub is, how much of a spam donor he is. He's not taking care of his child. If he really wanted to take care of his child, then he would go to court, blah blah blah, allegedly, to everything that I'm saying right now. It's what I've been seeing, right? So Ujub gets on his Instagram. He's like, oh, really? How many times have I tried to get a hold of a Christian? How many times have I tried to get hold of our son? And when you're blocking my number, you're going around telling me, or telling people rather, that I'm just a sperm donor and angike lifini. What's to stop it? What's nala masoka boots lawa aqoke ingane? Ngicela uhambe uyoyibuza ingane ukuthi iwathathephi amasoka boots. What? Yes. It's so painful having to go and park outside your child's school and watch him just because you can't get close to him. What are we getting AI? Stop controlling my child. I need to be a part of my child's life. What? I'm shy phoning. What? Stop it. What? Stop making my child an AI. Stop it. And then after that, he then went on to say, you can't compare me to your baby daddy Usenzo and stuff. Leo ke angeke ngikhulume because I really I haven't seen enough videos to prove what I'm saying right now. But nje Ujub wathi kunini, even when I was in jail, I was sending gifts to Ingani every single Christmas, and I have receipts on that. So can you just stop saying I'm a deadbeat father? And then Ukheli's like, no, but you are though. You are. You're a deadbeat father. So, because you are a deadbeat father. Etu chup, I'm not. Etu Ukheli, you are. Etu chup, stop it. Stop it. You're a dead. You. I'm not a deadbeat. Etu Ukheli, you are. You are a deadbeat. So, namanje ke kusalwela leyo nto leyo ukuthi nje hayi omunye uthi uyi deadbeat, omunye uthi I'm not a deadbeat. Awe ma guys, yo, kuningi.